In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Hamburger menu to Wix Mobile. Start by opening your site inside the Wix editor so you are on the main workspace canvas. Since this menu is for the mobile version of your site, the first thing you need to do is switch from the desktop view to the mobile view. To do that, go to the top toolbar and click the smartphone icon labeled Switch to Mobile. This changes the editor so you can work directly on the mobile layout and place elements where they will appear for mobile visitors. Once you are in the mobile editor, move to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click the plus icon for Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks you can insert into your site. After the panel opens, scroll through the available categories until you find the menu section. Click into that section, and then choose the Hamburger Menus subcategory. This area contains different mobile menu designs, including the classic 3-line icon style that most users recognize right away. Now pick the Hamburger menu design you want to use. When you find one that fits your site, drag it from the panel and drop it onto your mobile header area on the canvas. Placing it in the header is usually the best option because it keeps navigation easy to find at the top of the screen. As you position it, make sure it aligns cleanly with the rest of your mobile header so the layout looks organized and professional. After the menu has been added, click on the new hamburger icon directly on the canvas. This will bring up its settings. From there, select Edit Menu. In this section, you can decide what the menu opens to and how visitors will navigate through your site. You can map it to specific pages, anchor links, or an overlay-style navigation layout that slides open when someone taps the icon. This is the key part of the setup because it controls how users move through your mobile site. Take a moment to review the menu structure and make sure each link goes exactly where you want it to go. Keeping the menu simple and clear will make the mobile experience much better for visitors. That covers everything you need to know.